Hey guys, so today I got a new soldering kit that they sell on Amazon, and we're gonna open it up, set it up, and give it a shot. All right, so let's see what's in this kit. All right, that's the way it's gonna look set up. Okay, it comes with this pad. It's pretty thick. All right, it's pretty thick. That's good. Gives you some measurements for some precision devices. All right, here's the mat. This is a rubber mat. This is not plastic. That's good. Things won't slide around. See that? It's a rubber mat. Okay, let's see what's in here. Boy, it comes with a lot of stuff. Okay, clamp. Mount. I think this is magnetic. Yep. All right. Ruler. Always use a ruler. Okay, so here's this holder for the soldering iron. Okay. Light and magnifying glass. This is a magnet again, so that you can hold it stable. Magnifying glass. And okay, so here's the light around the. So here's the light around the magnifying glass, and again, there's a magnetic on the bottom. The magnet, and this is the same thing. There's a magnet on the bottom too. All right, looks like a holder. We put circuit boards or something on there. Hold. Oops, I was wrong. This is not to hold circuit boards. It's to hold wires. And that way it's easier for you to solder them together. I can hold that. Alligator clips. Okay. Alligator clips. That'll help hold your circuit boards or your wires down. Rubber pad, hook. Okay. These guys will help hold your circuit boards. So you could kind of set it up to hold your circuit boards. There's a little slot that you could put them in, and then you just kind of move things close together with the magnet. Boy, it's a lot of stuff. Okay, just a plug. X-Acto knife. Okay, bendable mount. So you could put various things on this. Got two of them. Another bendable magnet mount holder. Blades for the X-Acto knife. Okay, now these are the longer arms. There's 4 of these. Okay, sorry, there's 2 of these kind and 2 more of this kind, which has some silicone rubber lining, and at the end is alligator clips. And there's 2 of those. Let's take a look at everything they give you. Oops, forgot. On the bottom, all right, the stand and the plate. We'll see where these go when we install it. All right. Well, we give you a lot of stuff. Trying to see if I can lay it all out. All right, so let's set it up, and it's going to be like magic. And just like that, everything is installed. This plate, you could use this metal plate or this, the thick, I don't know what you would call this. It's kind of foam, but not really. It's a hard, dense material, but it's a soft thing that's easier for you to do your soldering on with this, and it's got some measurements that you need. But this metal plate is just that, it's metal. So the magnetic items will stick on, and if you had a circuit board, you could put the circuit board through here, and often there are holes in the circuit board, often for screws and things like that, that you'll be able to kind of put it on top, and then you can work on your circuit board. Let's put these aside. Again, there's this, even this is magnetic, you can see. These wire solderers, you could connect two wires. And again, there's all these arms that you could use. And since they're all magnetic, you could just move them to wherever you need them to be. That's really handy. Let's go up a little bit higher, and you can see there's this light. We'll turn it on, and there's different color hues that you could get. Some things you could see a little bit better. You could dim it, make it a little bit brighter. Let's take a look at the magnification. All right, so you could see it's probably like 2x magnification, I'm gonna guess. And then right here, there's the super magnification. That's a little bit extra depending on how far you pull it out. So if you need a little bit of extra magnification, you got that. All right, that's pretty cool, and it's got a light on it. Here's the rubber pad. It's nice because this doesn't slide, and see that metal piece? It just fits perfectly around that rubber pad. So all this, it just breaks down really easy because you just remove it and you can pack it away. It's got a swing arm clamp. If you got a big device you need to hold while you're soldering. Bigger clamps. You've got some of these bigger clamps for bigger items, and you have the smaller clamps for smaller circuit boards. I'm not sure what these screws are for, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. You got this soldering iron holder. All right, so let's give it a shot. All right, I don't have a fancy soldering iron, but this one will hold. Okay, so we could try two things. We could try, I think these go in there like that. Okay. Oh, I see what this is for now. These screws right here, they're to hold in the alligator clips. All right, so I have that one. And let's get the other one in. See, there's a little slot right there for these screws to tighten it up. So, oops, didn't do that tight enough. So depending on how you want to do it, you could take your two wires and have the alligator clips hold them like that, and it'll make soldering easy. Or you could put the two wires on something like on this thing right here. Let's see if I find the right gauge. Or you could do it like this and then solder it, okay? So let's try it with this option first. forget the magnifying glass. All right. That was actually very stable. Put that back. Making the connection was really easy. All right. I like my new kit. I get to see what damage I could do with some more electronics.